Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove account on Google Authenticator. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I have opened my Google Authenticator app, and if we swipe right, we will get this option, this edit option. You just need to click on that if you want to edit it, but if you want to delete it, you can swipe left and you will get this icon. And since we want to delete, we can swipe left and you will get this question and just click on remove account. Okay, and let's practice it one more time. I'm going to delete this account as well. We can swipe left, but wait, I'm going to swipe left like this and click on remove account. Okay, and now all my accounts on Google Authenticator have been removed. And okay guys, that's all the way to remove account on Google Authenticator. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.